Okay, this came in the mail today. So, yes, Mike, it's from you. It did come yesterday. I just didn't see it. I had to make sure I'm not showing any addresses and I'm being lazy and fat and laying on the floor. Ah! Oh, what'd you do? You super glue? Ah! Ah! By the way, Mike made this. Makes these. So I ordered one. Ah, orange bubble wrap. All right. Oh my God, seriously. I don't want to break it opening it. My God. Help. Help. I need an adult. Help. I need an adult. Blackie, Ezra, where are you? Dang. Do you like pack packages for a living? There we go. Okay. Got it. All right. Here it is. Costs $350. Just kidding. It was nowhere near that. It was very reasonably priced. Oh, there it is. My pen. Okay.
It's a good looking pen.
Yes. Hey, that's it.